We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can update DJI Mini 3 Pro. So to start, you will need to switch on your remote controller or open the DJI Fly application on your phone. Depends on, well, how you fly your drone or which kind of RC do you have. Since if you have the newer version like I do, you practically just have the DJI Fly application built into it, so you don't even have to use your phone. Or if you have like the older generation RC, you'll have this mountain rack on top where you put your phone at. So either way, open the DJI Fly application. As you can see, it's being booted up here also. Then go into your profile. Here find the settings and then open the firmware update section. Now you can check for firmware updates, or before you can actually do that, you'll need to obviously switch your drone on and make sure that the drone and RC are paired. So let me do that on my end. So power it on and wait until the drone and RC will get connected, or interconnected rather. Yep, they are connected now. So let's get back to profile and settings. And something is wrong with my network connection somehow, even though you can clearly see the Wi-Fi connection is here. So now it is checking for the firmware update. It's gotten some kind of error message, but that doesn't matter. Probably I have some Wi-Fi issues here. So you can update your firmware, as you can see, if the firmware update is due, of course. And you can also check for FlySafe database updates as well, to ensure that all your flights are safe and secure. And well, I guess that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.